What's up, y'all? I had a lot of questions about the video I posted yesterday asking about what type of makeup did I have on. Y'all, all I had on was some lipstick and a little bit of eyeliner. I didn't even have time to put on mascara yesterday. Yesterday was my son's birthday, so I was really busy. But look, y'all, there is no filters or anything like that being used. I just didn't have on no makeup. I just wanted to let y'all know because I had like 4 or 5 people ask me what type of foundation was that and what type of makeup did I have on my actual face. I didn't have anything on my skin, y'all, just the lips and a little bit of eyeliner. That's it. I do attribute that to the products that I use. The products that I reviewed on the video yesterday, that's pretty much my routine. I do wear makeup, but yesterday I was basically barefaced. Okay. Thank you guys so much for the compliment. I take that as a compliment. If anybody wants to know what type of lipstick that was yesterday, this is just the Maybelline Fiery Fuschia number 810. And just some old black eyeliner that I had laying around like from a long time ago. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. This is not a makeup tutorial. This is not being sponsored. Yeah, no makeup, guys. I didn't have on no makeup. And it was just too much. I just didn't have time for it, you know. Mom life. I wish I did have some makeup on. But lighting is everything, y'all. Don't be fooled. Lighting is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all have a good one.